If your physical card works perfectly fine, but your payment keeps getting declined when you try to use Apple Pay, don't worry because this can happen for several reasons, including an issue with your card, Apple Pay, your bank, or even the payment terminal. So in today's video, we will show you troubleshooting steps you can try to get Apple Pay working again. Now, let's start with one of the most overlooked causes, your internet connection. If Apple Pay isn't loading correctly, the first thing you want to do is make sure your iPhone has a stable internet connection. If you're currently using mobile data, check that you have a strong signal and that your cellular data is working properly. You can also switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network and try opening Apple Pay again. Remember, a weak or unstable connection can sometimes prevent Apple services from communicating properly, so this is a quick step that's worth checking first. Another thing you should check is whether you are currently connected to a VPN or proxy. Now, if you are connected, temporarily disconnect it and then try opening Wallet or using Apple Pay again. Remember, VPNs and proxy connections can sometimes change how your device connects to online services, so disabling them temporarily can help determine whether they're causing the problem or not. Once you've disconnected, try Apple Pay again and see if the issue has been resolved. Now, if Apple Pay still isn't working, the problem might not actually be with your iPhone. To check this, open Safari and search for Apple System Status. Apple System Status page shows whether different Apple services are currently operating normally. I want you to look for services related to Apple Pay and Wallet and check whether they're showing a green status. If there's an outage or service interruption, there's usually nothing you need to change on your device. In that situation, the best option is to wait until Apple restores their services and then try again. Now, this is a especially useful step because it can tell whether the problem is affecting Apple users more broadly rather than just your device. Another troubleshooting option is to remove the existing card from Apple Wallet and add it again. Keep in mind that sometimes a card may have an issue with its connection to Apple Pay, or the card may no longer be eligible for Apple Pay because of an issue with the bank account. For example, the card could be expired, inactive, blocked by your bank, restricted because of suspicious activity, or affected by your account spending or credit limit. And keep in mind that Apple Pay itself doesn't determine whether your card is approved for transactions. Your bank or card issuer can decline or restrict a card. To troubleshoot, open the Wallet app, select the affected card, and check whether there are any notifications or instructions. If necessary, remove the card and then add it back to Apple Wallet. You can also try adding a different debit or credit card. If another card works normally, that could help indicate that the issue is specific to the original card or its issuing bank. There's also another setting that you can check inside the Wallet app. So I want you to open the settings and then go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Depending on your iOS version, you may see an option related to hide expired passes. When this option is enabled, expired passes such as old boarding passes, tickets, or other wallet passes are moved out of your main wallet view instead of continuing to appear alongside your active passes. This doesn't directly fix a payment card that isn't working, but it can help keep your wallet organized and make it easier to find your active cards and passes. So if your wallet has accumulated a lot of old passes, enabling this option can make the app much easier to navigate. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and Apple Pay is still not working, give your iPhone a simple restart. A restart can clear temporary software glitches and refresh the connection between your device, wallet, and Apple services. After restarting your iPhone, open the Wallet app and try using the Apple Pay again. Now, if your card still won't work, I want you to contact the bank or card issuer that provided the card. This is especially important if you're still in messages that the card was declined, unavailable, suspended, or unable to be added. Your bank can check whether the card is active, whether there are security restrictions, or whether there are many issues preventing the card from being used with Apple Pay. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can troubleshoot Apple Pay when your physical card works, but Apple Pay keeps getting declined. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.